Good afternoon. My name is Juan Sebastian Otero Diaz. I am United student. I will explain point two. The company I speak to is the Argos Cements company. The word is wrote in the later expressive. Some concerts sign the work. They do carry a great responsibility in the community on the environment because the extrain of its rain material in the ecosystem. It very risk affecting plants, animals, and of the course pollution to water and the air in the production process in the industrial plants. Mm, for me, a solution possible when career or the expedition or soil investigation of ground of the wells that are going to use falling meticulous plane that requires the con- condiment of the staff that once the work is done the same company applies fertilizers in the ground or of the planes for life or soil have to ability to the prolife or attack the prolife. Yeah, thank you very much.